Hey friends, if you wish to clear or disable taskbar search box history in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for search history in the Windows search bar. Then go to change search history settings. Scroll down. Okay, click on clear device search history. Now this switch, when it is on, it will be recording the history. So if you just deleted it, it will delete the search history till that date. And when you turn it on, it will start recording history then onward. But if you don't want that to happen, then you can turn this off too. Okay, and you can also turn this one off, show search highlights. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.